Right, this is just a little quick video, no intros, nothing like that. This London taxi steering box here, well, the owner, we had a chat this morning, and he's declaring this scrap because it's going to cost too much to fix. You can find a reconditioned one in the UK for about £280, and the shipping's only like 40 quid. Well, so you couldn't even repair it for that, because you know that we needed this PC with the bearing on the end. Well, in Canadian dollars, that's $1,400. It doesn't make any sense. So that's what he's going to do. He's asked me to box all this lot up, and he'll come and collect it when he passes. Now, it does make sense to, you know, buy something else, because the selector shaft that goes this way, as opposed to this one that goes this way, but like I said, they're both the same price, about $1,400 each. It's like nearly $2,800 plus bearings, plus seals, plus you're getting up to nearly $3,000. Well, if you're a Land Rover owner and you're in that dilemma, you know, say for example the selector shaft is buggered as well, it's got a big groove in it, then you can buy a brand new Adwest steering box for, how much was it now? $1,500 or less. Doesn't make any sense, does it? The parts are more expensive than the actual new box, so think about that. Anyway, it's resolved. Everything turned out nice, well, sort of. So he's going to come for these bits later. Alright, that's just a quick update.